Hey, today I'm sharing with you how to make these paper flowers from scratch. It's a lovely paper craft you can make with your kids, with your teens, or just have fun on your own. So we'll need 4 squares of paper that are 4 by 4 inches, then a pencil, scissors of course, craft glue, and decorative glue. So I'm going to start with one of the squares and we're going to just fold it in a half to form a triangle just like that. The next step is to fold it once again to form another smaller triangle. Then we're going to fold it once more into this little triangle. The next step is to draw this little semicircle and just cut the shape out. So as you can notice, it already looks like a little flower. We're going to cut out one of the triangles. Then we're going to follow exactly the same procedure with a new square, and we're going to use the sample to circle around it to make sure that our flower looks exactly the same in size, and we're just going to repeat that another 2 times. So finally we're gonna then cut out 2 triangles out of this flower. We're going to continue and cut out 3 triangles from this 3rd flower and 4 triangles from the 4th flower. Now we want to make sure we collect all the pieces. Don't throw any of them out because we're gonna use all of them, and we'll start gluing our flowers together. So I'm taking the largest flower and gluing it together. I'm going to repeat that with every single piece of the puzzle here. As you can see, you only have to glue the edges of the smallest bits of this flower. Make sure that it stays intact. Do make sure that you keep it glued for a bit longer so it dries out completely and nicely. And finally you do that with the smallest piece. That might be the most difficult task here. Just roll it up to make sure it does look flower-like. Otherwise, give it a bit of time to dry before we're going to start assembling our flower, because we don't want it to fall apart so easily, right? Once we have all of our parts ready, I'm going to start rolling the edges of the petals with a pen or a pencil just to get that flower-like look that you usually see in nature. And then I'll start applying the glue to the bottom of the flower, both sides, because we want to secure them together. Let them dry out, and we're just going to repeat this with all the bits of the flower to create this beautiful looking paper craft like no other. So as you can see, for the smaller pieces, I'm actually going to bend the tip a little bit to increase that surface area so that it actually sticks to the flower. We do it to the smallest piece as well. Finally, use some decorative glue or any other beautiful glitter to add a bit of color, a bit of lightness to these flowers. So I hope you found this tutorial on how to make paper flowers easy and simple. I hope you're going to make them at home. If you like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to get more videos like that. Thank you!